Team from Troy. Take it away, Louis.
While the storm clouds gather far across the sea, let us swear allegiance to a land that's free. Let us all be grateful for a land so fair as we raise our voices in solemn prayer. God bless America, land as I love, stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above, from the mountains to the prairies, to the ocean, white with fog. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God
And that final look at the toe, as Luke sings God Bless America. Thank you, Betsy. Thank you so much.
From the mountains.